Hello and welcome everyone to Tech and Travel. This is Sanal Afridi. Today I will not be doing any unboxing or something, but I'm going to be talking about the new tech product coming in market for enthusiast people or sports kind of people or action kind of people. Yes, I'm talking about the GoPro Hero 8 camera that's coming on I'm not sure when it's coming, but it's going to be released on 1st of September 2019. That's about 4 days from now, 3 days from now where I'm shooting this. I'm a very big fan of action cameras. As you can see, I have different kind of action cameras. I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the best one. Of course, maybe some of you can argue with the DJI Osmo Action. I have this ROXCORE action camera. It's a cheap action camera. I have these ELECTRA. These were my beginning action cameras. You can see on the link down the unboxing of these products as well. I also have the 360 Huawei camera, and it's also not a very expensive product, but it's very good quality camera. So these are some of the products all this time I had. So let's just talk about the new Hero 8 coming next week. So why is it important, and what are the features that the Hero 7 Black were missing with, and we are expecting it to be in the Hero 8, especially in the Hero 8 Black, because the rumors are it might have the same as three different versions like it had with the 7 Black, the white and the silver. It's going to be have the same as the Hero 8 Black, the silver and the white. So why first of all, what's the two big complaints about the Hero 7 Black? One of the best action camera, but what are the two things that start to have complained, especially one of them when DJI Osmo Action came. DJI Osmo Action came with this front screen, so when someone was logging like this, and I'm logging, and I can see myself in the log, because that's the problem with the action cameras. Most of the time you're logging and the view is not very good. With the DJI Osmo Action, they have the front screen. The 7 Black doesn't have. So one of the biggest expectation people are, it might have a front screen, or most of it, which is unlikely because they have the leaks, which most of them, if you have so much leaks by this time, they are 80% true. So the leaks says it might have an adapter that supports the front screen. If that is, I don't think that's a very good solution. It's expensive, of course you have to buy these extra accessories, but still it will, for some people it will solve the problem. And the other big complaint is the microphone jack. Now the rumors are they have moved, like in the 7 Black they have the battery on the back, and the rumors are it has moved to the side. So if the batteries are moved to the side and people are expecting a microphone jack, I feel it might not be happening, because I'm not sure how they're going to have too much space if they remove the battery from the back and putting the microphone jack in the back or in the bottom. I don't think so, but maybe they have some kind of accessory for that as well. Now you use some kind of adapters for that. So yeah, let's see what comes up. Okay, that's the two basic things that these action camera logos will be looking for the front screen, or something for the front screen, and of course the the microphone jack. Let's talk about the new camera, the Hero. What is going to be? They say it will be GP2 chip. That will be one of the strongest chip ever on the action camera. Will have 4 GB RAM. That's a lot of RAM, and it will come with black, silver, and white. Of course, the black one will be the premium one, and then the silver, and then the white one. And beside that, it will be it might have some other features like it will, if you see like this one has a rubber coating, so the rumors are it might have some different kind of coating or something. There will be slightly changes in the overall appearances. It might have something changed here. It will not be too much significant changes, but it will be a little bit different than the 7 Black. And besides, it might have the screen is pretty good on the 7, but still people think that it might go for full screen on the back, which for me it's not very important. And they might improve the battery on it, because the battery is good, but it's not very good. It doesn't last for too long, but that's the most of the action cameras that have the same problem because of the size of the camera and then the size of the battery. So unless they come up with a super kind of battery, I'm not sure they're gonna have any solution for that. Okay, let's talk about the main features. What does the camera do actually? So it's the videos. The new Hero 8 is expected to have 8K resolution. This one has a 4K with 60 frames per second. The new one might have rumors are it has an 8K resolution. It's supporting 8K and with also 4K resolution. That will be 120 double of the Hero Black 7 Black. So that will be the big change. Let's hope the slow-mo is also something good on this one. And the last thing, also they might have some improvement. I hope they have. Last year there was some problem with the app and also in the stabilization. Sometimes it was there's a little bit compared to some DJI Osmo Action. I think stabilization on DJI Osmo Action is a little bit better. It's a very small difference. So let's hope the stabilization is much better. The software is getting better. Last year we had the problem with the software on the 7 Black and some on the other 7 as well. So we hope these are some of the changes they're going to be coming up with, and because of too much pressure from DJI, let's hope because I really don't want the GoPro to fail in the market, because it's one of my best. I really like this product because there is something that revolutionized the action cameras. So yeah, and the last thing I will talk about, of course, the price. The price might be, if they want to compete with the DJI, that's about $349 US dollars. So they will roughly be in the same range between $350 to $380 US dollars for the premium 7 Black, and so on. The rest might be a little bit less than that. So yes, so that's the some of the discussion about the new upcoming video. Should you buy it? Should you wait for it to buy it? If you are a normal blogger and just need an action camera for some activities, I think the black is the best one instead of going, if you already have a black one. But if you are interested in it, and for me, I love gadgets. I make videos. I normally don't use too much action cameras, so for me this will work. But of course, I will go for the other one as well. So if you are like a normal action camera user, this is the best one. You don't need to go for another one or buy the 8 one. It will not be too much difference with all the you have to buy accessories and these things. But if you're like a professional, then maybe it's something new for you. But I cannot say it sure unless the product comes out and you find out what's inside the product. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and listening to my talks, and I appreciate it. And it will be very nice if you subscribe my channel and just click the subscribe button down there. And let's hope see you next time with another tech video. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.